everyone, welcome to day 7 of your 30-day Pilates journey. I'm Terriell, and today we are working on slowing down just a little bit in comparison to the last couple of days and working on calming your mind and as a result your body with Pilates, especially because you've made it through to day 7. We kind of want to just slow it down a little bit, work the details, and just take the nervous system down a notch. So with that said, let's get started. We are going to begin lying down on your back with your feet stepping down on the mat in a pretty comfortable position. Your legs can be slightly apart and your hands on your belly. So now we'll take a deep breath in. And on your exhale, let's just pull the belly down into your mat without changing your skeleton. You want to stay pretty neutral and long in the spine. And then let your hands kind of facilitate that connection to your core. Let's do that a few more times. Breathe in. And exhale, scoop the abdominals in and up and cinch your waist. One more time. Breathe in. And exhale, scoop the abs in and up. Let the chest fall open as those abs tighten. Make sure that you're kind of relaxed in your neck and in your shoulders. And then with the abs tight, I want you to use those abdominals. Walk your feet together and then pull your knees up in towards your chest. Good. Now from here, to challenge yourself, let's take the arms up to the ceiling. And then keep those abdominals pulling down, especially your ribs. Think of your entire rib cage just flatten down into the mat. We're going to take the right leg and just send it away. Tap it in a puddle of water. Tap that big toe down. Pull it back up. We'll do the other side. Send the left leg away. Tap it down. Pull it up. Now try as best as you can to keep your pelvis from spilling out and forward. We want to keep the scoop of the abdominals and all of your ribs on the mat. Good, now lift that leg up. Now we're gonna add some fun stuff for the brain. So as you reach your right arm forward, your left arm reaches back. I didn't even say that right. Switch sides. I'll try again. As you reach your left leg forward, your right arm reaches back. So we're alternating. Yes, and reach. Good, and send it up. And we'll go to that second side, left leg, right arm, and up. Being careful to keep your box square. That's your shoulders and your hips. Keep all of that from moving. And left. Now 2 hands up to the ceiling, 2 knees in tabletop. Go ahead and hug your knees in and rest. Good. Now from here, let's take the feet, flatten them on the mat. And then we'll just breathe in, reach the arms up to the sky. And then exhale and circle the arms out by your sides, down and around to the hips. And we'll go again. Inhale, reach up to the ceiling. And I want you to keep your abs tight, your ribs down. So this isn't really a stretch. It's more of can we move the arms and the shoulders without moving the trunk at all, or without moving your box? Inhale, reach your arms back. Scooping abdominals in, and exhale, circle around and down towards your hips. One more time. Inhale, reach up and back. Good. And exhale, circle around and down. Good. Now, one more time. Let's reach the arms up and back. And on your exhale, you'll send the arms forward and up, and then curl up. Eyes on the abs as you stretch the arms forward. Hold there. Good. Now send the arms back, letting your head drop down. Do that a couple more times, firing up those upper abs as you send the arms forward, curling up. Pull your belly down to the mat. Drop your head back and then reach your arms behind you. One more. Arms forward and up, curl up, reach the gaze forward in your belly button. Now grab onto the backs of your thighs, walk your feet out a little bit if you need to, and then we'll roll up through the spine all the way to the top to sit tall. Yeah. Now from here we'll round the back and then start to roll down bone by bone, inch by inch. And if you want to do full roll-ups here with your legs long, you totally can, but I'm taking it easy today. I like that extra stretch for my back. Lift your head up. Peel your spine off the mat, rounding forward. Stay rounded, and then roll it down. Just think about what you're doing here, just sending that spine down piece by piece into the mat. Taking it easy, keeping it calm. Breathe in, reach your arms back. Arms up and forward, head lifts. Peel your spine off the mat. And we're going to take it all the way down to the mat with control and stay there with a flat back. Good. Now let's bring the right knee into the chest. Give it a hug first. Send it straight up to the ceiling. Go ahead and pull it in towards you and give it a little stretch. We're going to intro the single leg circles and really work on keeping the pelvis from moving. So with your right leg straight up to the sky and your left leg stepping out onto the mat, go ahead and send it out a little bit so you have a little bit of room to circle your top leg. But keep your foot flat on the floor as an anchor. Now press your palms by your sides and externally rotate that leg so your heel reaches into your midline. From here, you're going to cross the leg over your body and then send it down and around. Use your abs to lift it back up. And these circles aren't wide. They're about the width of your body, crossing over, but they go a little bit low. So you can send that leg down as low as you can control. So if you feel yourself going like this as you send that leg down, don't do that. Keep it tight. We'll go again. Cross the leg over, down and around, and lift up. Use those abdominals, belly down to the spine, cross and around and lift. Now go ahead and reverse. We'll take that leg outside and inside and up. Now, if you've done single leg circles before, try them out this way and see if you can perfect your technique. Really concentrate on the movement and which muscles you're using in your legs and in your abdominals. We'll do 2 more. One more time. Is your chest open, your shoulders relaxed, your neck relaxed? Hold the leg up there. Bend it in. Give it a hug. Send it down to meet that left foot. Keep it bent, but a little bit further away from your seat. Now let's hug the left knee into the chest. Hands behind the thigh, stretch it up. Give yourself a nice, good hamstring stretch. Press your palms by your sides. Now externally rotate that thigh. We'll hold it. And then cross the leg over, over, over. Send it down as low as you can control. Out to the side slightly and back up. 4 more. Cross and around and up. 3 more times. Cross it over and around and up. Now I'm noticing on this side, it's a little bit harder for me to stay stable. So I'm going to push my right foot down into the floor to help me keep my hips really steady. 1 more time. Cross and around and lift. Now go ahead and reverse to the outside. Cross over and up. 3 more. Out and across and lift. 2 more times. Out, cross over and up. Last one, out and across and lift it. Good. Now go ahead and hug that knee in, send it down, lift your head up, and walk yourself all the way up to a seated position. A little spine stretch forward to end our practice today. So we'll take the legs wide, the width of your mat or wider. Send your arms out in front of you. Breathe in. Grow tall. Chin to the chest, round over. And take a deep, deep stretch for your back and for your legs. Dropping your head down as heavy as you can. And from there, start to peel your spine back up to sit as tall as possible. Dropping the shoulders down, lifting tall. Breathe in, chin to the chest, round over. Scoop backward with that belly, send it forward. Reach 3, a little bit deeper 2. Rounding more 1. And think of pulling your forehead into your stomach as you roll up to fire up those abs a little bit more. 1 more time, deep breath. Exhale, over and reach. 3. Stretching further than before, 2, 1, and then stack that spine up all the way to the top. Sit as tall as you've ever have in your life. And then go ahead and relax those arms down by your sides. Let's roll the shoulders on the back a couple of times. Turn that head from side to side. Shake it out, and you're all set. All done for day 7. I will see you on the mat for day 8 tomorrow. Bye for now.